Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video I'm going to be taking a closer look at GearAid zipper wax. So this is handy for mainly dry suit divers but also wetsuit divers as well. If you have a zipper on your exposure protection, then zipper wax is definitely worthwhile, especially with sort of salt buildup and whatnot. Zippers can get quite stiff when they're brand new as well. They are particularly stiff to sort of undo, open and close. So a little sort of treatment with zipper wax is definitely worthwhile. It's going to look after your zipper. It's also going to make it easier to open and close. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how it arrives. A lot of plastic GearAid. I mean, yeah, I get there's a fair amount of instructions on the back, but this can be more, you've got the QR barcode for more product information, so you don't need all of this. But whatever, you can recycle it, so it's not the worst thing in the world. So this is the zipper wax. It's a solid lubricant wax for all types of zipper. If I just pop it out so we can actually see. So you get the paperwork. Oh, okay. So it does have instructions. Again, a lot of this can be digital, so it's basically showing you how to use it and other products that can be handy. But this is the product itself. So it comes in its own secure little sort of box, so you can keep it from just wearing away and losing it inside of your box. It's no instructions on the actual thing itself. It just tells you paraffin based, stick formula, lubricating plastic and metal zips on wetsuits, dry suits, boat covers, tents, and it's biodegradable as well. Oh, it does have directions. Correction. Rub zipper wax up and down the zipper teeth. Work zipper to fully lubricate entire mechanism. Reapply regularly. Pop off the lid, and there's the zipper. So it's zipper wax. It is unfragranced, and yeah, so this you basically just sort of rub it between the teeth, and that's going to help to lubricate so that zipper moves freely, makes it a lot easier, and also it helps with the waterproofing in a lot of cases. The important thing is that you try and avoid any kind of build-up between the teeth, because that can dislodge, and it can also sort of keep those teeth apart. So just a sort of a small amount on the outside, never between the teeth, or try and reduce between the teeth, and just run that zipper backwards and forwards, and that will help it moving freely. And that's GearAid zipper wax, a pretty standard wax treatment for the zippers on your dry suit or your wetsuit. If you own one, then you should have some kind of lubricant protection for your zipper. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com, so you can check it out. There'll be a link to this product in particular down in the description. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.